So what I'm doing is, now that I've got all my segments cut, I've got filler segments of the same size made of regular walnut, and then the segments are separated by whose they are. Took some finagling, and I've actually already figured out ahead of time which ones go where so that I can fit them all in the appropriate number of rings and not come up with something too big for my lathe. So this should be the first ring. So I'll put Billy's 3 here. Then I'll separate his from someone else's with a regular plain block. Then Wayne's plain block, Leona. I'll glue them up, rubber band them together, and let them dry, and that's one ring. And I will do each one of them with a card like this so we know whose pieces I am working on in that particular segment. Obviously this is all going to get fast forwarded later, but you'll still see the pictures and the segments. And that's the best I can do right now. Billy Burt suggested I try this Bob Smith Industries 5-minute epoxy for my segments. If it explodes, we blame it on Billy. While those rings are drying, I might as well take some of this center off of here before I put the resin in it. And I might as well see if I can do it with the carbides, because I really haven't used them much yet. Whoa! That just came off my screw. All right. Try that again. Before I do it, I know make it a little bit here. And that's what I was afraid of. Now I'm going to have to re-glue that ring. I hate sanding. This is fun. This is not cooperating with me at all. But I did not expect this project to be easy. The one that snapped open sanding I have here, being glued back together. This is 2 rings I'm sticking together because I'm going to, if I attach them like this, once I have the base on the lathe, then I can attach 2 rings, do the center, attach 2 rings, do the center, and so on, and then just do the outside when I'm done. Hopefully. That's how I did my only other fully segmented piece, and it worked pretty well. Although that time I had more time on my hands and I added 1 ring at a time. I'm going to have to try and finish this up in a single weekend. So I'm going to try and put 2 at a time onto it as I go. So these have had a few days to dry. I also took the end piece from Kim, put it in a surround. I've already taken it apart to see how it looked. I glued it down and poured some resin on to flatten the bottom and fill the voids and hopefully deal with some of the punkiness. I'm probably going to have to redo this before I can mount it. But this cut up milk jug works great. So it will go something